there are signs before the period comes, the hair, the breast buds, and the growth spurt, they get taller. You should just notice that you're getting taller. So those are the signs that are telling you that in a couple years from the height, the period is coming. So on average, 2 years after that growth spurt, when they get really tall and are almost kind of like almost your height, is when you can expect that their period will come. So I would say when you start seeing those signs is when to start the conversation of your body's changing. These things are happening. This is what will happen next. The next after that will be something called a menstrual period. It can come with a lot of pain. It can come with, feeling unwell, feeling dizzy. Even sometimes it can come with diarrhea, And so having a kit that sort of has panty liners, that has pads, that has Tylenol or ibuprofen in it, that has spare underwear that they carry about, that they have wipes, wet, because sometimes tissue paper can be very uncomfortable, Yeah. And so just having that kit with them when you start noticing that they're getting taller, they're getting more hair, the breasts are growing, have them put that kit in their book bag or their purse, wherever they do to go to school, because it could happen at school. And, you want them to be prepared when it happens at school.
Yes.
Rush into the nurses station, or I don't know what it is at schools now, to get a pad. You want them to have that privacy so they're not embarrassed. Their clothing is not soiled. It's not something that the entire school has to know that they just started their period. And that way it's always in her bag whenever, something starts, it might start like she feels like she needs to go to the bathroom, like she needs to have a bowel movement, and then she'll see the blood, and at that point she'll be like, oh, this is what mom was talking about. Then she has her kit with her. She can clean up and take her Tylenol, take her ibuprofen, and be ready to go about her day.